She left her walker and this controller.
Hold the stick like you're trying to hold the wall. Hold it there.
Take a quick look, okay? And what I would do, you can just lightly pet his face, okay?
That's the problem they have there is real lightsabers and sometimes.
Hold on, Harvey.
Probably watch out for behind you. We know.
Okay. Just lightly right there on his face. Yeah, he's sleeping.
You want to make sure common sense doesn't get in the way here of inspecting the weapons.
I don't know, you're gonna have, I think it's a little bit too sleep. He's been out for a long, long day today.
Hey, Harvey.
Tell him good night, Harps. Tell him good night.
No, that's the dad, Mom.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him into his bedroom so he can go to sleep, okay? Where's his bedroom?
You are keeping it rolling.
It's on the Millennium Falcon.
But their rules are
The spaceship. We parked it out in the background. Yeah, well, you're not gonna be able to see it because you have to go the other way. Okay, bye, sweetie. Give him a hug. Aww. Did he slobber?